Hi guys, welcome to Polaris 2020. In this episode, we'll be discussing about the advantages and disadvantages of Internet. Internet is not just a network of network, but perhaps it is something which has got a far bigger connotation in regards to our personal, professional and business life. So this episode will help us to gauge the advantages as well as the disadvantages associated with Internet. When we talk about the advantages, the first and foremost advantage that we receive from Internet is the fact that it facilitates online payment. So if you want to make some payment online, definitely it is considered to be one of the fastest mode of payment, and in this regard Internet is definitely something which is mandatory. Point number 2, you can work from home. Especially going by the current scenario, the pandemic scenario, most of the people have adopted for a system whereby they are working from home, and in such a scenario internet connection becomes extremely mandatory. It acts as a source of entertainment, as you can watch movies, download videos and play games. So this is another aspect where internet influences people to a great degree. When it comes to receiving breaking news instantly, internet is definitely considered to be one of the fastest mode you can avail, because there are a lot of websites and other sources of internet from where you get breaking news instantly. So even if you are away from your television set, still you can get the news then and there. It is considered to be fastest mode of communication. Undoubtedly, nobody can question this fact. If you want to send across an email to somebody, it hardly takes a fraction of a second for the recipient to get the email. So therefore nobody can deny or for that matter undermine the significance of internet. It offers you various search engines whereby you can gain information pertaining to various aspects of your life. It also assists in online business, and online business is something whereby transaction happening on a large volume every day. So definitely in this regard internet connection is considered to be pretty important. And it also helps in research work, because when you access internet you access various search engines, and from those engines you get a lot of information which eventually helps you. So far we have seen the various advantages associated with internet. Next up we'll be discussing about the disadvantages of internet. First and foremost, we need to consider the fact that internet is highly addictive in nature. So when you get hooked to it, you tend to focus so hard on it that the other aspects of your life at times gets sidelined. It is considered to be a reason for social isolation. So when you are spending bulk of the time in front of the screen, you tend to find it difficult to relate with people around you, and therefore you start becoming slightly recluse in nature. It raises concern about health issues like obesity and all, because when there is hardly any physical activity, a person is going to suffer to a great degree, and internet is something which can push you towards it. Internet makes it difficult for you to get disconnected from your work, so you tend to remain absorbed with your work most of the time, and it's important for people to slightly get away from their work so that they can get into something which is perhaps more constructive or which can be more creative in nature. So that is another thing which can hit people pretty badly. It affects our ability to focus on other things, because most of the time you are busy with internet, so there are a lot of other things which should be given priority by us, but because of this fact it is not possible. So in general, if we compare the positives and the negatives associated with internet, we will come to know that its advantages definitely outnumbers its disadvantages. It's a boon for us. The world has become a global village due to internet, and therefore it's important for people to understand that yes, internet is a must for us. It's difficult for us to survive and sustain in the absence of internet, especially in the modern world. So if you like technical post, then kindly visit www.digitalbook20.com. Thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting, sharing, subscribing and liking Polaris 2020.